How to go to school in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the map to school. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I am in the map of the farm. So in order to go there, first you must open this gate, and here you'll be able to see this map icon. Simply tap on this map icon. Here on the right bottom you can see school. Simply tap on school. So this way will directly direct you to the school. You can even skip it and directly go to the school. Here you'll be able to find different school, and there will be some equipments and doors you must unlock with the school door. So there you'll be able to find different items and later collect it and bring it to the farm, and even bring it to the cell where the rabbit is located. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.